Alright, so today is Friday, July something, and we're going to be installing our quick vent oil cap on my supercharged Honda Civic Si. Sweet. So I just installed the supercharger not that long ago. It's been about maybe 3 weeks, maybe. And we are slowly modifying it as we go, as we're tuning it. I am starting to build a lot of crank pressure. Come on, you. So we ordered a quick vent. Ooh, how pretty. Comes with everything we need. Everything to assemble it. You can assemble it either this way or this way. I think I'm going to shoot it this way. I have no room to mount the can in here anyways over here, so we're going to have to find room this way. This is my original oil catch can. We'll have to replace that. It does come with AN fittings. This is very nice packaging. I can't get shit out. Here we go. Gotta remove the foam to get these suckers out. Nice. And I bought an oil catch can that comes with a filter, dash 10 AA lines, fittings, and I bought these plugs separately because this is the plug that it comes with, and does not have good reviews. So this is everything we need. Comes with all the O-rings we need to install into place here. Here's the bolts, so you can mount those on there. One thing I did notice it did not come with was a set of instructions. Awesome. So, but it should be pretty straightforward. You know, O-rings on the cap, O-rings on here. Yeah, that takes an O-ring right there. More than likely this fatter one there. It takes an O-ring up here. It should. It takes O-rings everywhere. Everywhere. Right here. You want to make sure you have a nice good seal. So, and they provided a sticker. How awesome. They know I love stickers. Okay, so I'm going to bring something else that I need to add. And that's just some steel wool. So, this comes with two thingies. Baffles. Two baffles. I'm assuming that this baffle will go in here. There's one at the bottom already. This one will go on top. But before we put that, I'm going to add some steel wool to be extra preventative measure of capturing the oil before it leaks out through the ventilation system. We want the air to escape, not the oil. We want to catch the oil. We don't want to get oil all over the engine bay. Speaking of, see, so we have no oil here, so that's good. Yeah, my hand's freaking clean, so that's good. That's what we want. With that said, let's start opening things up and start assembling. All right, so these are super shiny. This one's a little dull. The little dull one, it's gonna go right in here, and you'll just press it all the way in, all the way around. Just take your time, get it to the shape, so you can see it's forming already, and then we'll just go over it and make sure it is nice and seated properly. Sweet, and that looks lovely. All right, so next for the oil cap, looks like this will take a ring up here. I disassembled everything. Looks like maybe this should have a ring right here. Maybe not. That one is a tad big. Oh, I see it right there. Ooh, did we use the wrong ring? No? Just gotta stretch that sucker up there. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, that one will have to go there. This one goes here. You know what? I think that makes a little bit more sense. I hope you guys are watching the whole video, because if not, y'all just fucked up like I did. Okay, so yeah, that looks a lot better. Thank you for coming with no instructions, bro. I'm one of the guys that likes to read the damn instructions first. But I am a problem solver, so I will figure this problem out. Oh, bro, I am going to be needing... Nope, did not need both of my hands. Sweet. So, that is there. These will go here. I think what I am going to be doing is putting some blue Loctite on here. I don't want these to back out at all, causing oil leak. So I'm gonna drop some blue Loctite onto these, and then, like I said, I'm going to send it this way. You could either switch it like this, and you could send it this way, but I have no room this way because of that shit and that shit and that shit. Blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna send it this way. Remove this one. I'll probably have to cut this bracket off so I could wrap it around with my hose clamp. Homemade shit. That's how we do it. So yeah, let me grab some blue Loctite, throw some on the bolts, thread this into place. All right, it looks like it's gonna be a size 2.5. Bam. So we'll secure this down nice and tight. We'll put in our AN fitting lines, put our gaskets down in here. Oh, look, and these have a little cavity where the gasket goes. How nicely built. Sweet. And I put the O-rings on there. We'll put these suckers into place here, right in there. All right, and I do have an AN wrench, so I'll use that to secure these down nice and secured, and we'll slap this into place just for mock-up and see how it looks. Wow, she looks pretty. All right, out with the old. Let's wipe that down real quick. All right, and this will just sit in here just like so. And check their cables are in the way. Oh, damn. I hope it's just the cable that's in the way. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Barely fits. Ooh, man. Oh no, bro. Damn. Oopsies. Well, that's how it looks. Fudge. Well, that is the review on this, the unboxing on this. Oh, I guess let me just finish off this video by doing this. Put in the caps, put in the steel wool. Oh, and this has a gasket at the bottom too. Nice. Sweet. We'll secure that down. We'll stuff the steel wool in there. And then we'll put this cap at the end. Bam. And call it. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.